Hello everyone, it's Kyo again. Today we got a Mercedes C55 AMG here, V8 W203 model. Let's have a look. V8 AMG 2005 model. Sounds good, right? So what we've done is we installed a Dynavin N7-MBC Pro model, as you can see. This is the original one, and TG1 original unit, you know. Well, this one here is the Dynavin unit. So that's the N7-MBC Pro system. So we got a New Zealand radio. Actually, it's starting connecting the Android Auto. We'll come back. So we'll probably go to the source here. Yeah, so we have radio, built-in navigation, iLink Pro, which provide the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And then we got a phone, Bluetooth, with the music streaming, media, can play music, videos, USB. USB music and videos, you know. Information, a path, file, can read a different format of file. Camera, I've got a reverse camera installed. Have a look. Yep, nice and clear. Reversing camera. Audio, if you've got a audio connected, you can play audio. Clock sync. System, AV, SD card, Bluetooth. So once connected to Bluetooth, we'll have Bluetooth audio. TV, can install digital TV box and play the digital TV. iPod and iPod USB using the we put a port here, you know. And then CD DVD slot, and I'm building small hard drive for store some music. Yeah, so the main feature is obviously the radio, navigation, Bluetooth with the music streaming, while personally always using the Apple CarPlay. So we got an Android Auto already connected. It's pretty easy to use. Google Map, obviously. Yeah, so what I'll do, go back to the main menu. I got an iPhone here. So we'll disconnect the USB port here and connect the iPhone USB. Yep, that's the one, Apple CarPlay. This phone hasn't updated to 13, so slightly older interface, but once connected to the iOS 13 software, we'll have the split screen one. So it's limited. It's less app, this one here, that's why. So easy to use. Apple CarPlay. It's pretty cool, right? Touch screen. Music. I think I haven't got any music here. Yeah, so that's the one. V8 AMG, you know, with the Dynavin N7-MBC Pro system installed with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It supports the steering wheel control, fully integrate with the reverse camera there. One of the best system for older C-Class. Beautifully done.